पीछे पीछे थोड़ा थोड़ा
Amin. 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 Amin.
Prosecution is here. C.P. Kunji Muhammad Sahib. I just made a call to him to be present in this great function. He was very, very kind enough to be with us for this function. Similarly, there are many other, our Tangal sir, Bashir Tangal, who is the beloved son of Muhammad Ishihab Tangal, he is also here. And all other dignitaries, our former MP, when this project was started, he came here. He spent hours together to understand the thing. He used to call us and understand what exactly is happening. He is meticulously doing that. Kerala State General Secretary K.P. Majid Sahib, I would like to say one thing. The highest contribution given to the scheme is from Kerala State, Muslim League and our leaders, Jalikut Sahib, Tangal Sahib, Majid Sahib, they are all instrumental to this. And the thing is, my dearest colleague, Mr. P. Abdul Wahab Sahib, he was like a shadow of this. He was doing everything possible from his side to make this project a reality. He was such a companion to us by all means. Then I don't want to say about, I told you in the beginning, Qadir Moinuddin Sahib, he is going to inaugurate this block. Qadir Moinuddin Sahib, he is from, the generation of Qaidar. He knows all the points. He knows all the, our feelings. He is the man who inspired us to take up all these major tasks. He is really motivating the generation to come up. I would like to say, this is a humble beginning for us. As far as Indian Union Muslim National Committee is concerned, this is a step forward. Inshallah, after completing this project, including the school, we will move to the next site. I would like to say, this Baitur Rahmah project